What's up, guys? I'm Christian from TireSouth, and this is TSTV. We're here to take you through everything you guys need to know about wheels and tires. Today, we're talking about the Rough Country 3 to 3.5 inch lift. The 3.5 inch lift is a great option if you're stuck in between a basic leveling kit or a full-blown suspension lift. They're great because they can install just as easy as a leveling kit with no major modifications to the factory suspension, but still allow you to get up to a 35 inch tall tire on most models. There are several available fitments, so the Rough Country 3 to 3.5 inch will fit on most models: Ford, Chevy, Dodge, and even the Toyota half-ton trucks. Most of these kits include either a front spacer or a leveling strut as the main component up front. They also include aftermarket control arms to ensure your vehicle's alignment and suspension stay at the proper angles while eliminating bind and proper wheel travel. These kits also include lifted rear shocks, lifted blocks, and U-bolts for the rear of your vehicle for a complete installation. These kits are designed to use aftermarket wheels, but you can also keep your factory wheels with the use of a 1/4 inch wheel spacer. With the 3 to 3.5 inch kits, you can clear 35 inch tall tires with mid-offset wheels with slight modifications. This means no scrubbing at full turn with 35 inch tall tires without committing to a full-blown suspension kit. One of the biggest benefits to these kits is their ability to return the vehicle to stock height with relative ease. These kits retain most of the factory suspension, so everything is still in place if you choose to remove the lift. They also retain that drive and riding characteristics of a non-lifted truck while providing increased ground clearance, taller tires, and that great lifted truck stance you're after. So there you have it, everything you need to know about the Rough Country 3 to 3.5 inch lift kits. But if you still have questions, contact us online or at one of our TireSouth locations. We'd love to answer y'all's question and help you customize your ride with your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on TSTV.